Hello everyone, I'm Xiaoqi. Today, the function we want to record is to display the LiDAR mapping data on our 10-inch screen remote controller. Because this remote controller has a relatively large 10-inch display, it is very convenient for showing point cloud data clearly while real-time flight testing. We are using a web-based approach, that is a web ground station. It can transmit the compressed real-time LiDAR point cloud mapping data to the screen for live display. The drone can perform autonomous exploration while showing the map data at the same time. During flight, we can roughly see what an unfamiliar room looks like. When the drone enters a new environment, okay, let's start this test and see how it performs in a real unknown space. We used AI programming to build a web ground station. As you can see, the point cloud data can be displayed on the remote controller in real time, allowing us to monitor the mapping process directly during flight, so this controller is quite convenient. You can see that it explores while flying, and the drone can view the map at the same time. This is quite close to a real application scenario. Okay, now let's put the drone into autonomous exploration mode. You can see it here. The map is slowly expanding, and you can zoom in and out. The drone is exploring this area automatically. For the next test, it would be better if we add more obstacles. You can see that the map is also expanding. It is in a targetless search mode, searching and mapping at the same time until the entire area is fully covered. What I originally wanted to show is the ground station effect. Since this web ground station was written with AI, it is quite convenient. We can see that the drone just took off from this point. Then it flew into this room and built a map of the room. Because some filtering was applied, specifically sparse filtering, the point cloud display looks relatively sparse with fewer visible points on the screen. But the overall structure of the room is still displayed quite clearly, so I feel this is a step closer to practical application. It is no longer just showing results in simulation, but is starting to support real flight, real-time mapping, and on-site operation. We will continue exploring how to use AI programming to implement more complete functions. Okay, please continue following us.